Well, I'm just in the Radisson Blu at Heathrow, and it's just turning 8:05 in the morning. And this is the Radisson Edwardian, so probably some of the clue is in the decor. We've just stayed here the night because today I'm on my way to New York. So what we did last night, we had dinner here in the steak and lobster restaurant, which doubles as the breakfast place. Looking at the numbers, that's pounds, £3, £4, £3, £4. So what I'm going to do is just walk you in here. It's a rather beautiful looking restaurant, and just to give you a measure what you get, because what it does, it leaves you very fresh on a morning. They've literally got everything in this place. They've got all the mueslis, and look at that, you can even have the almond milks, the soya milk and the skimmed milks, and you see it's working in lifetime. You've got all the mueslis and you've got all the fruits, so it's a very beautiful restaurant. So this is the Radisson Blu Edwardian, and I'm going to have to make my way back to the reception area. Today we're going to New York. It's part of a series called The Modern Pioneers, and I will be crossing America by train from New York to Los Angeles over the next 18 days. So look out, have a quick look at the crystal chandelier there, and you've got to look at the Radisson Blu. I'll have some prices for you later. Probably the best thing is to go to a place like Travelodge, but it's £6 to the airport now on the shuttle bus. £6 each way, or you buy an £11 ticket return, which I would recommend that you do. And they are usually on the 20 past and 10 to the hour. So there you go. This is the Radisson Blu Edwardian. See you later.